happy early Valentine's Day to you. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a deluxe edition of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. Now, I had two choices to pick from. I could have gone with the Supreme. The Supreme was $175 and it was valued at $416, but instead I chose this one. It has a retail value of $266, but it only cost me $99. And guys, Jeffree Star Cosmetics is one of the top 5 brands that I cover here on my channel, so don't forget to hit subscribe if you are interested in hearing more about JSC. Okay, friendos, if you are ready to see what mysteries lie ahead, well then, friendos, just stay tuned. Okay, Polywog, do you mind handing me either the katana or the rusty dagger knife thing that Justin cut his foot on earlier? Okay, scissors work too. All right, so inside we have a red and pink wrapping paper this time. Nothing, it seems, with the Jeffree Star emblem or anything super special. Still looks nice. All right, guys, here's a sneak peek. And fair warning, if this is your first time tuning in, very picky. All right, so we have a rose quartz bracelet, it seems. It says this helps with developing self-love and improving relationships. You know what? I'm gonna hand this off to my sister. I feel like she needs it more than I do. Next up, we have a hand mirror that says Heartbreaker on it, which reminds me. So probably my next long form video, I'm going to be giving away this mirror. This is the big version of this. You guys stay tuned for that if you're excited. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. So yeah, we have a little hand mirror here. You know what? I'm not going to take this out of the box. I'm going to put this in another giveaway. Then we have a phone ring. I personally don't use these. I just don't. I don't use pop sockets or anything like that. Probably should, but I don't. I will put this in a giveaway so that someone who does enjoy phone rings can enjoy this for themselves. I've gotten one of these before. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, of course, Star Ring Light. And I don't believe that you can buy this on the website, but this clips to your phone and you can use it to light up the night. So I already have one of these, but my sister doesn't. We may want to use this on the go, so we'll be keeping this around. You see, you have different settings. So this one is the more warm setting. There's a cool setting, and then there's the in between. So you can choose how you want your face to look, and it comes with a little charging cord. Okay, I think we're getting to the makeup now. So we have the Velvet Trap lipstick, and we have the shade Celebrity Skin. So I already own this shade, so this is another one that gets to go in the giveaway. I'll swatch the one that I own if I can find it in a reasonable amount of time. I think it's right here. Yes. So this one's mine. And Velvet Trap isn't my favorite formulation. I do like it, but I do feel like shades that are this tone and darker tend to do better than his lighter shades in this particular formulation. Okay, now here's something I can really use. We have a magnetic palette. Now, I'm not one for single shades, single shadows. I just don't have a lot of them, but I do have a few and I have nowhere to put them. I don't have a single magnetic palette in my collection. So, okay, because it's wrapped up inside of it. So it's got a little plastic thing over the top. This time I was able to slice through it with my razor sharp fingernail. So yeah, it's a pretty nice little magnetic palette. Has the little holographic star on the front. So yes, this will be getting some use by me. Ooh. All right, so we have some Supreme gloss. So this is the shade Fatality. I'm not well familiar with this shade. Hopefully it's something red. This is not the shade I would think of when I thought of Fatality, but this is definitely a shade I'll use. It's a nice, pretty coral. Let me know if your relationships magically get better. So it says Opulent Shine, Full Pigment Lip Gloss, Feel the Fantasy, Luxurious Drip.
Here, it matches your outfit.
Hello? You're sorry? She says she's sorry. No, Mom, it's fine. It wasn't that big of a deal. There you go. Oh gosh. Calm down. Oh, Yeah, we can get together soon. We can talk it all out. Okay, all right. Have a good day. Bye. Well, guess I'm never taking this guy off again. Okay, cool. One of my favorite shades of all time, Pallbearer. This one is so pretty. This one's from Cremated. This one compares to a Pat McGrath. You know what? Since I already have it, let's just go ahead and set it aside for a giveaway. Okay, Entitled. I do believe this one is from Blue Blood, I think. This one is a cerulean blue-green. It's very pretty and shimmery. Then we have Wealthy. Is this from Blood Sugar? I'm not sure. This one looks like a whitish gray / khaki. Okay, so the next one up, I'm pretty sure is from Cremated again. This is Mausoleum. Sounds like it would be from Cremated. This is another gorgeous shade that I reach for all the time, but since I already own it, giveaway. Then we have Gravedigger and Donor. I think this is from Blood Sugar. If I do already own this, we will put that in a giveaway as well. So someone's getting some very nice things because I already own them. Ooh, Celebrity Skin again. This time we have it in the Velour liquid lipstick. So this one I do already own, but mine is very, very old and I was going to need to replace it. I am going to keep this for myself. Jeffree's liquid lipsticks are one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulations. Okay, now we have another gloss. So we have a Supreme Gloss in Wifey. I don't know what shade this is. Now this one I would have thought would have made more sense for Mortality or whatever the other one was. Either way, this is really pretty. I will definitely be putting this to use. It's somewhere in between like a brick red with like a hint of pink. This is my style. I'll just say it. This is my style. Here's the big daddy. We have Blood Sugar. I'm about to see if this is the limited edition release. No, this is the original. I already own this. I love it. So this one right here, going in a giveaway. Now finally we have the gloss. You guys are wondering why the I say that silly one. This has been a running joke around here for a long time. Okay, this one is called Spank Me. So this is a nice magenta. We've got pink, we've got gold, we've got sparkles, we've got purple, we've got it all in this. I think it would kind of match with my eye look today, don't you think? Well, friendos, I think this was very exciting. Even though I already own a lot of these items, I am very happy that I get to go and put these in a giveaway because I know one lucky winner will really enjoy these items. Now that's going to be scheduled for in the future because I already have 2 giveaways lined up scheduled for my channel. Make sure you are subscribed if you want to participate in those giveaway contests. So now, my guys, I want to hear from you all. Let me know, what was your favorite item that we got in the box today? Did you get a mystery box? And if so, what was inside yours? I can't wait to hear from you all and hear about everything that you got. We knew it was going to happen. Aww. Are you happy?
Yes!
This box is a tad too small for Onions, but she doesn't know any different. And this is the part where I wish you a phenomenal rest of your day. If you did have a good time, then please don't hesitate. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow never knowing what could have been. Alright guys, have a great one. Bye.